Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Lyft introducing something new for retired folks.
For me. 7 more years, baby. 7 more years.
If you're getting a senior special at Denny's and they're going to give you a ride there, I'm all for it.
7 more years. If Elon lets Social Security, by itself, I bet you that Social Security won't be there when I retire. Lyft is launching something called Lyft Silver. And I like this idea. And I think most pleasant riders I've had in the past have been elderly, and they do tip too. They tip. You know what I mean?
But some are like a-holes.
That's the usual one.
You get that guy who's coming out of the bar and he's just pissed off and we're
talking 60, 70-year-olds, bro. So I'm like, okay, so
they're stuck in their ways.
Well, you know what? You don't listen to them. They talk to you for like half hour, but you're just gonna go. But no, the point is, this is another product. I do like this. I really do. Well, it's better than Uber Teen. Okay, would you rather have a 65-year-old retiree in your car or a 14-year-old?
I would rather have the 65-year-old, but the problem is what Lyft and Uber are doing. They're going at two opposite sides of the spectrum. One's going for the next generation, Uber, and Lyft is going for the ones who are going to die. I mean, like, you got to have somebody that's going to come in and replenish your people, not somebody who's going to fade out.
Yeah, no, I get that, but Lyft is. I mean, Uber is having a lot of trouble with their Uber Teen idea, number one. But then now we have cash chips. I mean, I can't wait until I get some reports on these cash chips, bro. You know what I mean? Because the drivers that are already in 2 cities, Cincinnati, Ohio, and what was the other one? Anyway, we talked about it last week. Let's see how this works. But I'm pretty sure if they watched us, they're going to opt out. So I don't know how I'm going to get my, information on these cash trips.
Hey, our poll said about a quarter of people will take cash trips. Yeah. 3/4 won't. So
if you're in that city and you want to do cash trips, if you do a few, please send me how the process worked for you. So, but going back to
not only that, but it makes for great behind the wheel.
Yeah, absolutely would be great behind the wheel. So, especially if they got robbed.
So Lyft Silver is going to be a feature that's going to have a simpler design and easier access to support for its riders. So, I mean, that's good, but I mean, is it the same thing as the Go Parent or whatever the hell it is?
Yeah, that's that. I thought about
everybody.
That. Or the medical trips, most medical trips are ordered by third parties. But then we'll see. We'll see what kind of segment or we'll see what kind of increase in their gross bookings they're going to get by doing Lyft Silver. Lyft has done interesting things, to be honest with you. The surge capping and all that stuff. So they're trying, man. They're trying to get some business from Uber, which is tough.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.